Hi guys, welcome. A very good evening to all of you, all my lovely ninjas. I hope you're all ready, you're all excited for today's class. So if you're all interested, if you're all excited in this particular topic, which is basics of logarithms, let me know in the chat how excited you are. Come on guys. Hello Anish, hello Raj, Ankit, that is very unfortunate man. I hope he gets better soon. I'm sure he'll be alright, don't worry. Got it? Yes, Niranjan. Yes. One step at a time. Please let me know how excited you guys are. Yashwant is really ready for today's class. Raj is also excited. That's fantastic. What about the others? Others are not ready, is it? Others are not interested. Hello, Anu. Anu, welcome Anu. Very nice to see you here. Okay, Niranjan, that's very sad, man. I hope you're all doing okay. Very good, Raj. Fantastic. Hello, Shweta. Hello, Samarpita. Ammu is also here. Welcome, Ammu. Nanda Kishore, welcome, man. So, shall we begin, guys? Are you all ready? Yes, people. How many of you are interested to know what information I have to share today? So, I have today also brought a very nice piece of information which everybody might be interested to know, and then we will get into the class. Okay, so guys, like I said before, today's topic is basics of logarithms. Very important, and that is why I brought it, because guys, this topic is not covered in 10th standard and it is not covered in 11th and 12th CBSE also. So many times people are very scared. Sir, nobody teaches us logarithms, how can we do well? So that is why this channel has made it a priority to solve this particular problem, which is logarithms for all of you. After today's class, what will you know? You will know how to understand logarithms. You will know what is the basics of logarithm. That is what my intention is. Got it? Of course, guys, please understand there is an English proverb which goes like this. Rome was not built in one day. So in one day you cannot become a legend. So I see in the chat how disoriented we are as humans, right? One guy is telling, sir, do inequality, sir. Sir, matrices, you didn't do inverse, you didn't do elementary transformation, you didn't do adjoint. Everybody gives 1,000 opinions. But guys, you cannot be like that. You have to be focused. Today's class is what? Logarithms. So all of you should shh. Okay, and then listen to this. After the class, in the comments, you can let me know, because we teachers at Vedantu know what is best for you right now. Got it? So everybody, please pay attention and listen carefully. After today's class, you should learn something, take something from here. Everybody cool with that? Got it? And to answer your questions, inequalities, we will plan it out, man. We will plan it out. We are doing one by one, right? So when we are doing something, appreciate that thing and support your teachers. Don't give opinions of what to come next, because that becomes a habit. Every time we do something, what you asked, you'll ask the next thing. Next, if I do inequalities, you will tell the next thing. So please understand that, students. It's a very good quality to appreciate what's happening right now. Right now, logarithm is going on. Who asked that? Are we doing it for fun? We are doing it because you guys asked, right? So now understand that and learn it. Got it? And guys, this can be seen by everybody, whether you are preparing for 2021, 2022 or 2023. All the 3 years, droppers, 12th standard and 11th standard, all 3 of you guys can see this. Okay? I hope I have made it very clear. Exactly, Raj. That's the right attitude, Raj. Brilliant. Okay. So don't worry about it. Whatever is planned for you will come slowly. Don't overthink. Right now, what is there, you study that properly. Got it? And the next question, inverse of a matrix and all the other topics, guys, that comes in determinants. That comes in determinants. Okay. So you should know all that before you ask your teacher. Got it? So inverse, adjoint and everything comes in determinants. That's why I didn't teach you in matrices. I hope all of you clear. So everybody is peaceful now. Your peace of mind is returned. Now please focus on what is given. Okay, let's do that. Now let's get into it, guys. For all those who do not know me, I am sure pretty much all those who are regular to my class know me very well. But those who are new to this session, guys, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So I teach for the 11th and 12th standard and for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Got it? So that is my background. Now, why am I teaching that? And why am I here helping you and guiding you? Because I have gone through the same process. I have gone through the same process. When I was like you a few years back. Few years back means 2012. Okay, don't think last century. I was a student a few years back. So like you, I also prepared for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and a lot of other exams. So when I wrote JEE Mains, I got state rank 5 in Tamil Nadu and I also cleared KVPY. I wrote Advanced, I cleared Advanced and now I am teaching here after graduating from IIT Madras. Got it? So now I'm here to guide you all people into your dream colleges. But how am I going to do that? I'm going to do that with a team from Vedantu, which is nothing but we Enthuse. You have Shimon Sir, you have Wasim Sir, and you have me. All three of us are working day in and day out to help all of you. And thank you, Samarpita. That is so sweet of you. Hello, Anamika. Welcome. So, guys, I hope all of you can see that Samarpita profile picture is the logo of this channel. Okay. So, if you support our channel and if you love us, do download the logo from the description of this video and make it your profile picture so that you can show your loyalty to this channel. Okay. Captain not wearing master teacher hoodie because I have the shirt, right? So when you don't have the shirt, you switch it to the hoodie. So it's laundry time. So once you get the shirt, you wear the shirt. Then the hoodie goes to the laundry. When the laundry comes back, you wear the hoodie and the shirt goes to the laundry. So that's the cycle we follow, man. Okay. So are you all ready, people? So in case you want to be my friend, let's say, sir, I want to talk to you. I want to know your experience. I want to ask you something. Then people, you can message me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID. I'm very active there. Everybody sees Instagram reels, right? All those addictive reels. So they are all so nice to see, good time pass. So I am also there. So in case you want to message me, if you want to ask me something, you can message me over there. Okay. So where will we get the logo? Crazy Master, you will get it in the description of the video. Okay. Description means below this YouTube video. Okay. Yes, Yashwant. So let's get started, people. Before I go into the session, I always show you this very important slide, which is nothing but the subscribe slide. So please do subscribe to our channel in case you love it. I'm sure you're all learning something very interesting, very useful from this channel. So do show us your support, like us, and also share it with your friends. If you really like it, then do share it with your friends as well. Because this is a small channel, right? This is a very small channel. We want to grow it. Okay, and only you guys can do it. I always tell this in all my videos, right? The power of students is crazy. If you guys think you can make it viral, you can blow it up like anything. So that is what we want from you, because we work so hard to bring such good content for you. We at Vedantu, not just Enthuse, we JEE, we NEET, and we NEET Elite, we Enthuse. All of us work very hard to bring out the best content. Exactly, Nanda Kishore. Yes, Shweta. Shweta, that is awesome, Shweta. That's good. Thank you for that. So do spread the word and do support us. Be very, very active in this group, because we are going to grow together and we will take you to greater heights. That is our promise to you. Okay. So with that said, let's get started. So guys, the situation in the country is very bad. So if you look at it, in Tamil Nadu, we have a lockdown. Like we have a 2-week lockdown. We are not supposed to go anywhere. And you guys also should take basic measures to protect yourself. Like you need to avoid close contact. Don't go and meet your friends, and don't go gather in crowds, because at this point, the entire nation is suffering. People are not getting bed in hospital. People are not getting oxygen support in hospitals. So at this point of time, if you are also being careless, then it puts a lot of load on the country. So that is when we'll have to, bow down to other countries in the world, and we have to seek their support. So if you stay put, if you do your part, I think we will not automatically come out. So please do that and make sure that you guys are all staying safe, taking care of your parents and elders. So keep social distance, don't touch your face, and always wash your hand so that you can be cautious. Got it? Now, at this point of time, you might be thinking, sir, if COVID is there, how do I study, sir? School is not there. Last year though went away. Now this year also, I think I'll just while away the time, and I don't know what I'll do in my exam. So please, guys, don't make your education go down. Don't compromise on your education. That is why we are here for you. So Vedantu is here for you. You need not worry, and we will help you, because all this while you have studied in an offline setup. Your teacher was there, you went with your friends, you sat together and you studied. But please don't worry, because the same experience you can get online. The teacher will teach, you see students are together as friends in one class, and we can talk to you, we can show you our video. Lots of great things can be done. The only thing is you need to go and see it. Sir, what is this pro subscription, sir? What is it? Why is it so famous? Why do Vedantu students love pro subscription? Because you have to come and see, my dear students. You only can experience it. I cannot say so much about it. If I say too much, you will think that I'm just making stories. But guys, you have to come and experience. Vedantu is a technological startup. Vedantu is a technological startup. It is not a coaching institute. We don't produce ranks. That is a byproduct. We train students, we train softwares to make effective learning happen. That is what we aim for, okay? So that you have to experience. That is why I'm saying don't miss out. I will talk about it at the end, and I will say what is this pro subscription all about. But in case you're interested, wait for it, wait till the end. Got it? So I'm going to leave it up there. In case you are interested, sir, I want to buy now, sir. I can't wait for 40 minutes. You will take long lectures. I can't wait till then. Then what you can do is you can go to the description of this video. You can click on that link, go, and I'm sure you are all smart. You buy from Amazon, you buy from Flipkart. So it's the same process. It's the same process. Click on the description link, go there, pay the money, get the subscription, and then come and thank me later. You'll be like, Shimon sir, you are the best. Pro subscription is amazing. It was awesome. So that's what you will experience, I'm sure. Got it? Hello Basit, hello Mala. Yes, we will get started. Can I get free pro subscription? No guys, there's no free trial. So you'll have to check for 1 month. Mala, you can get it for 1 month. 1 month is 3,000 or 4,000, I think. Go and check it. Will you share your Telegram ID? My Telegram and Instagram ID are the same. So Shimon_Joseph is there, right? That's the same thing. Instagram also I have the same ID. Telegram also I have the same ID. So shall we begin, my dear children? Shall we begin? Are you all ready? Yes. So like I said, Vedantu's platform can help you. Don't worry. We are here wherever you are in the world. Wherever you are in India, we can support you at the same time. So do check it out when you have time. Now let's get started. Hello Samita. Manmudi Gurunathan, yesterday I did not take because my voice was not good. So I am losing my voice if I strain too much. So that's why you see I'm speaking a bit slow today. And before we go into logarithm, guys, you should join an institute which has proven results. Vedantu has got proven results. You see 307 people got 99 percentile and 700 students got 90 percentile and above. Like that, your teachers should have done it. Vedantu's teachers are all from IITs and NITs. For example, I am from IIT Madras. When I wrote JEE Mains, I was a state topper. And I know how to guide students. I've been doing that for the last 6-7 years. Yes, Kirito, I've done that, man. Thank you. And I took hot water also with honey. So that worked a lot. So thank you for all your advice and thank you for the love, guys. That is very sweet of you. So yeah, whenever you join something, make sure you join a credible institute which can help you to reach your target. Got it? So let's move into it. The homework which I gave you last class, I want to discuss it quickly. So guys, many of you answered it. I will show you the answers. So let's have a look at it. What is x square? X square is equal to minus 1 by 3 whole square. So that will be 1 by 9. So what is 27x square? 27x square is 27 into 1 by 9, which will be 3. We want minus 27x square. So what is y? Y is equal to minus of 27x square, which will be minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So y will be equal to minus 2 plus 2. What is box of minus 2? Whenever you have an integer inside the box, it will be the same thing itself. So the answer is 0, my dear children. Okay. Okay, minus 2, right? I'm sorry, it is minus 4 then. So this was minus 2. I wrote plus 2 by mistake, yeah. So it will be minus 4. So the answer is minus 4, my dear children. I hope everybody got it. All of you cool with it? All of you cool with it? Did you all like it? Very simple question. Okay, but this is not the only one. This is not the only one which I gave. I gave 2 homework questions. This was actually present in the slides itself. So very good Samarpita, very good Raj, very good. Tarun is asking, sir, can you repeat it? Tarun, to understand this, you must have seen my last lecture, man. If you did not see my last lecture, then even if I explain it, it will be hard for you. So please go back, check that lecture and then come to this. Okay, Tarun? So that is my kind advice to you. Very good, Sutar, fantastic. Hello, Sampagurai, welcome. And this is the next question. This is also a very interesting one. How did you do this? You put the value of x. So y is equal to what? GIF of 2 into minus 2.8 plus 3 minus of GIF of minus 2.8. So what will I get? Everybody listen carefully, guys. So this is going to be what? Minus 5.6 plus 3 and then you'll have minus of GIF of minus 2.8. So this will be what? Minus 2.6 minus GIF of minus 2.8. So what will that be? This GIF will be minus 3 minus of this GIF will be again minus 3. So the answer is 0. Did you all get it? Because GIF of minus 2.6 is minus 3. GIF of minus 2.8 is minus 3. So minus 3 minus of minus 3 will be 0. Did you all like it? Very good, Samarpita. Very good, guys. Tarun, so happy that you have understood, Tarun. Tarun, please watch my lectures always, okay? Because if you are moving from 10 to 11, my lectures will be very useful. Can I expect questions like this in JEE Mains? Of course not. Of course not. What I gave you here is a laddu in a plate, giving it in your hand. Okay? So you will not get laddu on a plate on your hand. Okay? This I gave because I gave it for my sweethearts. For all my sweethearts who are from 10th moving to 11th. So Mala, how can you expect 10th moving to 11th standard level in your JEE Mains? That is not true at all. Okay? So I'm just teaching them the basics. That is why I gave this. Okay? So don't expect this in JEE Advanced. Don't expect this in JEE Mains. Don't tell, Shimon Sir, you taught something. What, sir? Nothing came in exam. What are you teaching? That's because, my dear, this is for 10th moving to 11th newbies, my junior ninjas. Okay? So let them grow up. Then I will give them good content. Got it? Perfect. Why did you reschedule the binomial theorem session? Because Pramesh, our 10th standard to 11th standard students, I think it's better if I teach them at 4 o'clock. Because they're all youngsters. So I want to catch them in the evening rather than night. Okay? All my 12th and 12th pass guys, you can come at night because you're all grown up. Got it? So that's the reason. Please stop questioning. Start listening, guys. Please. Okay? Everybody, do that. Everybody, please do that. Now, how many of you have done it perfectly well? So we have Shankar answering it correct. Samarpita also answered it correct. Nanda Kishore, Bastin Samuel, and you have Samiksha. Vedika also answered it right. Adarsh, Sharwin, you have Aishwarya, and then you have Anjali, and then you have Ajay. So many people have got it right. Tanmay, Archana, Shivani, Tenyat, and Shreya Sharma, Kalamurugan, Jayvant edits also was right. So lots of people are taking the homework very seriously. I'm so happy you guys are all doing it well. Amazing job, guys. Keep it up. I'm so happy the participation you guys are showing is amazing. But one small help which I want from everybody, which I really want you guys to take it seriously is, Spread the word to your friends. Bring more people here so that we can have a greater competition. Then we will also be excited and motivated to do something amazing for you. Okay, so that is my kind request, because before I start my NCERT, many of you are asking, sir, should I start my 11th NCERT or will you teach? Guys, I will also teach, but I'm waiting to complete the bridge course. But before I complete the bridge course, I want you guys to let all your friends know you have been together in 9th and 10th. You have been together in Vedantu. You have been together in the 9th and 10th JEE channel or foundation channel. Now tell all your friends and let them all come here so that we as a family can learn and grow this to a bigger family. Got it? So that is only request which I have for all of you. I hope you guys will do that. Yes? So now with that same energy, shall we begin, guys? Let me know with a yo in the chat. Let me know with a yo in the chat. All of you. Vijay Vikolam. Yes, man, we will have determinants in the week. Maybe in Thursday or Friday. Today you don't have determinants. Very good, very good. Fantastic. So Samiksha, you're not late, Samiksha. We are just getting started. Till now, I was just explaining what is the homework, what is the right answer, and who all got it correct. Okay. So shall we begin, my dear children? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. So I hope all my ninjas are ready with your pen and paper. Great. So this is our weapon, which is our pen, and your guidance is provided by Enthuse channel. So let's get started. The first important thing, before we go to logarithm, guys, you need to understand what is exponential function. Okay. Before we go into logarithm, you all have to understand what is exponential function or exponential form. Okay, because these two are like husband and wife. These two are like brother and sister or boyfriend and girlfriend, something like that. So they both go hand in hand. Got it? So you have the exponential form and you have the logarithmic form. So let's try to understand what this exponential form is all about before we come into logarithmic form. Everybody cool with that? Now, what is exponential form? Exponential form means, for example, when you have 81, I can write 81 as 3 to the power 4. Got it? And I can write 125 as 5 cube. So this is what we call as writing a number in the form of exponents. Everybody cool with it? So here 3 is called as the base. 3 is called as the base. And 4 is called as the exponent. Or index we call it, right? Exponent or index you can call it. Similarly, here 5 is called as the base and 3 is called as the index or exponent. Are you all cool with that? Everybody? I'm sure all of you are able to understand that. Everybody is cool with that? Brilliant, brilliant. Now, why did I teach you this? Why did I cover it again? The reason I covered it again is because, my dear children, from here it is very easy to understand what is the logarithmic form, because I'm gonna help you understand how to convert this exponential form into a logarithmic form. Are you all ready to hear that? Yes, people? Fantastic. So the way I write it is, this one will be written as log of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. That is how you write it. Are you all clear? Everybody okay with that? So this is the way we change it from exponential form to logarithmic form. Can you write for the next one? Can you write it correctly, just copying whatever I did? Don't worry, it's okay. You can copy exactly what I did by just plugging in the values in the second one. Because for now, I assume that nobody knows anything about log. I assume that nobody knows anything about log. So I'm starting from scratch as though you guys don't know anything. And Shimon Sir is here to guide you. Okay, so let's do it from that point. Very good, Kirito. Kirito, amazing work. That's absolutely right. What about others? Have you done it? Very good, Vijaya. Very good. Very good, guys. So it's going to be log of 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. So this is how I write this. Did you all get it? Very good, Sajal. Very good, Samiksha. Fantastic, Kushi Kaur. Kushi, brilliant Kushi. That's amazing. So this is how you convert. So let me give you a general form so that you never forget it. Sir, this I have understood, sir, but how do I remember it always? First thing is, guys, whenever you want to practice something in mathematics, you don't have to memorize it always. That's the best part. That's why mathematics people love, right? I love maths because of that reason. I don't have to memorize a lot. When I was a student, I used to hate chemistry. I used to be very, upset. I need to memorize so much NCERT, and then you have JEE notes, your coaching material. But maths, you don't have to memorize. You can overcome by practice. You can overcome by practice. So that is why I am telling you, you don't have to memorize this. Don't have to, exactly say, sir, 81 should come here, 3 should go down, and 4 should be the answer. After today's class, everybody will know. I can guarantee you. I can guarantee you. If you listen to my class properly, everybody at the end of the day will know how to write log. Got it? Now, let me teach you something very interesting. Okay, let me go to a general form. So a to the power x equal to b, this is the exponential function. So a to the power x equal to b is called as the exponential function. Are you all clear with that? That's exactly what I wrote here. 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. Here 3 is a, 4 is x, b is 81. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Nothing great, right? I just wrote what I already have. Got it? Now, this a is called as the base and x is called as the exponent, or I can call it as the index also. Okay, now to convert this, I will write it as log b to the base a is equal to x. That is the way you change it, my dear students. This is important. Very good, Sherlock. Sherlock, you are absolutely right. This time you have got it correct without the help of Watson. Amazing, Sherlock. I give it to you. Mamata is also right. Very good. Neeraja Sharma, fantastic. You guys are so sweet. Amazing, amazing, guys. Shreya, fantastic, Shreya. I'm so happy you are following it. Did everybody understand it? So that's it, guys. You have got the basics. With that, we can do a lot. So this is how you convert from exponential form to logarithmic form. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Great, guys. That's it. You have understood the basics of logarithm. Now we'll move forward. We will first practice it and then I will teach you properties of logarithm. So the main point of having this bridge course is when you go to 12th standard or 11th standard, you guys should not feel, sir, nobody taught me logarithm. In Vedantu also they are going very fast. How can I understand, sir? So that should not happen. That is my objective. Got it? Anybody who has come to Vedantu should not be afraid of logarithm. That is the whole concept. Got it? I hope after today's class, everybody will be confident and you guys can let me know in the comment section after today's class whether you are confident. If you are confident, you can let me know with a bale bale. We'll go with Abhishek KR sir's standard statement. Okay? So if you are confident with log, everybody after the class should give me a bale bale and that would be amazing. Okay? Not right now. Fantastic. So people, I hope this is clear. I explained this to you. Can you convert this? I hope everybody has got it. Tara tara tara. What is that, man? I don't know what is that. Tara rara. I have no idea what that is. What is your mother tongue? Navya, my mother tongue is Tamil. So I am from Chennai. Okay, Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar, don't worry. After today's class, you will be comfortable with logarithm. You guys are amazing, man. Amazing. So nice, guys. Fantastic. So people, the answer is option C. Everybody is correct. Okay. Everybody is correct. So 5 cube is equal to 125. The way we convert is log of 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. So you guys absolutely nailed it. Now let me move forward. Let's go ahead. The next question, can you convert this? Can you convert this? Let's see if you guys can crack it. Every single person, come on people. Very good, very good. I'm loving the participation. Very good. Srinivasa Rao, Jayvant, Sejal, Neeraj. Sherlock, Nancy, Kirito, Kunwarpreet, Raj. Everybody is saying option B. And you know what, guys? You are all legendary. Legendary boys and girls. Yes, 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 yes. You are all so smart, man. That's why I love teaching you all. Because you guys grasp it so well. And you know what? At that age, your mind is like a sponge. Your mind at that age is like a sponge. Whatever we give, you guys will grasp. That's why it's important that you listen to good teachers, listen to good things. Because my dear children, it's very easy to attract negative things also inside. Because a sponge can take everything. So be very careful. And I'm so happy that you have made a decision to come to this channel. Because at this channel, I'm sure all three of us, Shreyas sir and Wasim sir and myself, we can guide you in a fantastic manner so that your future is secure. Okay? So I am so happy and grateful you made that decision, because here you will get good energy and good vibes only. Got it? So let's move into it. So how do we solve it? So guys, 4 to the power 5 is 1024. And you can write it as log of 1024 to the base 4 is equal to 5. So this is the right way of approaching it. Everybody clear? Fantastic, Shreya and Shreya. Anisha, brainy, that's good. So let's move forward, people. Let's go ahead to the next one. So this is the way to convert it. I hope everybody is clear. So till here you guys have understood it. So guys, this is the utter basics of logarithms. Very good, Akash, Mamta, brilliant, Samarpita. I am happy to have you here. Ram, I'll talk at the end, Ram, not right now. Okay, right now I'm teaching and we have people from all over the country, and it is only fair if I talk in English or Hindi, because everybody understands Hindi, I guess, except Tamil Nadu. Okay, so I'll stick to English. This is an English channel. Okay. Rajiv, don't worry, Rajiv. We will guide you and you will be all right. Thank you, Raj Nandini. Brilliant. Sai Imadi Setti, I will teach after the bridge course is over. Okay. So people, I guess everybody is fine with this. Now, this is the next question. I have a negative number. So will that make any change? Or will that create a difference? So Samiksha knows Hindi, because do you stay in a different place, Samiksha, or you are in Tamil Nadu? If you are in a different place, then I will not agree to that. If you stay in Tamil Nadu and if you know Hindi, that is great. Okay, that is great. Nirja Sharma, no change. That's right, Nirja. Fantastic. Sherlock, you are right, Sherlock. Samiksha, then you are awesome. Then you are awesome. So many of you in Tamil Nadu know Hindi, is it? Guys, I don't know why. I didn't make an effort to learn Hindi. And I regret it actually. I regret it badly, but it's okay. So guys, here I have given you log form and you need to convert it to exponential form. And guys, please understand, it has no difference. It makes no difference. Okay, so let's try to convert it. So what I'll do here is I will write it as 8 to the power minus 1 is equal to 0.125. Because I told you, if you have log of b to the base a is equal to x, then this, when you convert it to exponential form, it is a to the power x equal to b. So that means 8 to the power minus 1 is equal to this quantity. And that's absolutely right. Did you all understand it? Are you all clear? So shall we move forward? Okay, Vijay Kumar, that's fantastic. Aishwarya's second language is Hindi. This is very basic. Akash, this is for people who are moving from 10th standard to 11th standard, Akash. That is why it is very easy, okay? This video is meant for 10th to 11th. That's why I'm teaching very easy stuff. But don't worry, as time progresses, I will screw you and I will make it very, 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 very hard, okay? I will definitely tighten the screw. Don't worry about it. So let's move forward. So next, coming to the most important part. Till now what we learned was very basic stuff. We didn't do anything great. We just learned how to convert it from logarithmic form to exponential form and vice versa. But now we all have to understand what is the condition to write logarithmic form. Is there any condition, or simply can I write whatever I want? For example, sir, can I write like this? These questions you guys don't know. So can we write log like this? This is absolutely wrong. Samarpita, yes, that's in physics, right? Magnetism, I guess, or electromagnetism, I should say. Great, you guys remember all these physics stuff. I think Abhishek sir has taught you very well. Why can't we write like this? I'm going to teach you that. Very good, my dear. Very good, Samiksha. Very good people. Sai Shashank, Akash, Raj, Nandani. You're all absolutely right. Very good, Nirja. So this is the condition I've given. So whenever you write log now, people, please remember one thing. Whenever you write log, your base as well as the number, both of them should be positive. They are not defined for negative. Both of them should be positive. Please remember that always. Always. Log of something to the base something, both should be positive. Don't ever forget that. And the next thing is, your base cannot be 1. Your base cannot be 1 also. That is the next condition. Thank you, Saravana Bhavan Nataraja Iyer. Thank you, man. Very good, Samiksha. So these are the conditions you have to remember. Right now, it may not make much sense, but for now, take it as a fact. Okay? For now, take it as a fact. I will explain it. Probably I'll explain it now only. I'll tell you why we don't have to the base 1. Why is it positive? That also I'll explain. But first, make a note of it, guys, so that you don't forget it. Okay? These are things which you should remember. Because if you make a mistake in this now, it looks very odd. If tomorrow somebody tells me, I'm asking you an interview, let's say KVPY interview. I went to 2 KVPY interview, and in one interview I did very bad. I still regret myself. If I listen to myself answering, even now I cringe. Okay, looking at that answer, it's very bad. So I don't want my students to make the mistake I did. So I gave a very, very foolish answer to one of the questions asked in my KVPY interview. Okay, so I don't want you to appear like that. So that is why I am helping you. Okay, so if I ask you, guys, what is log? And if I ask you, can I write log like this? Can I write log like this? Then you should immediately say, of course, no. And you should be able to tell the reason why. Got it? So don't ever make that mistake. That is why your basics should be very strong. Clear? Fantastic. So now let's come to reasons, because when you come to my class, I want everybody to know the reason. You should understand it and then only go to the next one. So that's why even if we go slow, it's okay. Even if we go slow, it's okay. Got it? So let's get started. Can B be equal to 1? Yes, my dear. Samarpita, B can be 1. B can be 1, but both A and B should be positive, Samarpita. Okay, the first thing is, let's all look at it carefully. So let us say log B to the base A is equal to X. So can I say A to the power X is equal to B? Now, from here you can very easily understand, guys. From here you can very easily understand, when you have exponential functions are not defined for negative numbers. So here, for A to the power X to be defined, A should be positive. Why, sir? What are you talking, sir? Why can't A be negative? Are you telling minus 2 to the power X is not defined? This function cannot exist. Why are you telling that? In 10th standard I have learnt. I think you are teaching wrong, sir. Because minus 2 power 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 power 2 is equal to 4. Minus 2 power 3 is equal to minus 8. Correct only, no, sir. I am getting real values. Then why can't it exist? Because, my dear children, you again proved it to me you are from 10th standard. Why? Is numbers 1, 2, 3. My dear students, boys and girls, 1, 2, 3 is not numbers. That is natural numbers. When you come to 11th and 12th, you need to know that there are real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are fractions. This can also exist. So when I have minus 2 to the power half, is it defined? That means what? Square root of minus 2. Is square root of minus 2 defined? No, my dear, in real numbers it is not defined because this is a complex number. Everybody cool with it? So that is why your exponential functions are not defined for negative numbers. Why? Because for fractional powers, they will have imaginary values. They will have imaginary values. So to avoid that, we say for the exponential function, base should always be positive. Did you understand it now? So if anybody asks you a question, you should respond. You should tell, no man, you're telling wrong, because when you have negative and to a fractional power, then it can be complex number. And we are talking about real numbers. Whatever function we talk about in 11th and 12th, we talk only about real valued functions. Got it? Fantastic, right? So this is how you understand and study. Now coming to the next question. Sir, why base cannot be 1, sir? What are you telling, sir? Why base cannot be 1? Because 1 to the power x is always 1, guys. So why do you have to study that separately? You don't have a different b, right? You get the same value of b. 1 to the power x is always 1. So that's why there's no point in studying that. We don't do it. So we don't say a is equal to 1. Got it? Are you all clear with it? Ditto lal, because in our NCERT, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced curriculum, we don't have complex numbers functions. Got it? We do study complex numbers, but we don't have functions which give output as complex numbers. We only talk about real valued functions. Got it? Very good. So this is the reason why we don't study 1. Now the next question, why should b be positive? Why should this be positive, sir? Because my dear, if this is positive, then this has to be positive, because any exponential power of a, which is a positive number, will also be positive. You think about it. Any positive number raised to any power will always be positive only. Don't you all agree with me? That's of course true, right? If you have a positive number and if you raise it to any power, it's always positive. And what Kirito told is absolutely right. Exponential functions are always positive. Exponential functions are always positive because exponential functions are a to the power x. It is always positive only. Did you all understand the basics now? Was it amazing? Very interesting, right? Did you all enjoy it? Shall we move forward, my dear children? Shall we all proceed? Everybody ready? And where did my KVPY interview happen? My KVPY interview happened in IIT Madras, both my 11th and 12th standard. Okay, so both my 11th and 12th interview was in IIT Madras, and in 11th standard I didn't clear KVPY. I went to the interview, I did a very bad mistake, and because of which I could not clear. But in 12th I cleared it. In 12th I got very good score. Okay, I got All India rank of 300 something. Okay, so that is my background. I will tell you how it was maybe in one day detailedly. I'll tell you what happened, what mistakes I did, what you should not do, and all that I'll tell you. It's very interesting. KVPY is a government exam, and the importance or use of KVPY is you will get scholarship. So every month you will get 4,000 rupees. 4,000, 5,000 rupees cash prize you get every month, and at the end of the year you will get 20,000. I know it is not much, but still for a student it's good enough, right? You can buy books, you can buy science experiments, and you can go to any lab in the country and you can work inside showing that KVPY scholar card. So like that you have many benefits in KVPY. Okay, I will definitely conduct a session on that. Don't worry. So shall we move forward, everybody? So this is exactly what I explained, nothing great. So this is a good question. Can you please answer me now? Doubt cleared. Thank you. Nice one, Kesav. I remember doing this when I was a student. Sin Q by cos Q is thank you. Hello Abhirami. Abhirami, welcome. What happened? You are late. Why are you late? Please try to be on time, okay? Hello. The answer is no, guys. You're all right. Yes, Samarpita. Thank you. Definitely, we'll write it one day. So, is it possible to get a negative real number for nth power of a positive number? No. I told you, right? This is a positive number and raised to the power n, where n is a real number. This cannot be negative. This cannot be negative, my dear children. Okay? Because exponential functions will always give you output which is positive. Exponential functions will always give you output which is always positive. Are you all clear? Did anybody tell option D? No, right? Okay, Kirito loves option D. Fantastic. So let's move forward. What else do we have? Now, logarithm of negative numbers is not defined because just now we saw that a to the power x cannot be negative. So if you write it in logarithmic form, it will be log of that negative number to the base is equal to x. So this will also be not possible. Because if I convert this to logarithmic form, this is how it will look like, right? So log of negative number to the base a cannot be defined. Are you all clear? So that is why I told when you have log b to the base a, your b should be positive, b cannot be negative. Don't ever forget that, okay? Everybody clear with it? Definitely. Okay. Shweta, I have a lot of things planned for you, Shweta. We will have to continue till at least 5:15, okay? I hope that is fine. Is there a poll? Ananya, poll will happen only in Vedantu's classes, okay? So you'll have to go check it out in Vedantu. Hello Vishnu, welcome man. Yes, Imadi Seti, we will start set relation and function by May 1st week, okay? So let's get going, guys. Everybody clear with it? All of you? When did it start? Frederick, today's class started at exactly 4 p.m. Did you all understand everything? Can you all give me a yo in the chat? Light it up, people. Light it up. I see slowly energy is coming down. You guys are all sleeping, huh? Nicely, you ate food and you're listening to Shimon Sir's class. You're staying at home. Good AC, good fan, and you feel like sleeping. Okay, great. So people, now you are energized. Great, great, great. So I have something to energize you even more. So can you all do this? We will help Rhino. So this is Mr. Rhino who was on his way to work. So he has a very important business meeting today. And when he was on his way to his work, few kids were playing Holi. So Holi just went by. So few kids were playing Holi and they put color on him. And he wants to, catch that kid and punch him. So he wants to figure out who is that kid. So can you guys help him find out? Is it the, what is this? This is a dog, right? Okay, is it the dog or is it the duck or is it the cat or is it the fox? So you guys have to check it. Everybody, please let me know. You guys are so smart, man. Hello, Sachin. Welcome, Sachin. So everybody says it's a cat. Somebody says it's a fox. So what is the right answer? Okay, you guys are smart, man. You guys got it. So yes, the answer is cat, guys. Because if you join it, C is the one which is correct. Because pink color, right? Pink color is there. So pink color is this pipe. So when you go along the pipe, you will see that it is actually from the cat. So I have drawn it, I have drawn it, I have drawn it, I have drawn it, I have drawn it. So it is this boy who is the culprit. So he is going to get some treatment from Rhino. So let's go forward. Let's not see what's happening now. So we don't want to see what's happening. Let's move forward. I hope everybody got it. So now people, somebody was asking, sir, do you have a poll? Because sir, in YouTube, everybody can answer. If one boy says option C is correct, then everybody will say C is correct, sir. Then how do you know who is telling correctly, who is telling the right answer, exactly how many people are telling correctly? How will you know, sir? You are appreciating everybody. I feel bad, sir. I really worked very hard and I got the answer. All that problem is sorted out in Vedantu because we have a quiz. You see here, Sugda is one of our regular students in YouTube, right? So you see, we will give quizzes. You can choose the option and I will know exactly who got, at what time you got, and how many people you got correctly. How many people got correctly? All those details will be collected in Vedantu because like I said, Vedantu is not like Zoom. Vedantu is a brilliant platform made for teaching. Okay, look at the interface. Isn't it amazing? So this is how you see your teacher. You can talk to your teacher. You can have an interaction. You can attend quizzes. It is mind-blowingly good, guys. So this is me teaching in one of the classes. So you can see here, I am teaching differentiation. So I am teaching differentiation. I just took my own replay. Okay. So shall we move forward? So Shweta has already attended my class. That's amazing, Shweta. Thank you. So my classes will start in pro subscription on May 10th. So many of you are waiting, right? Sir, when is your class starting in pro subscription? My dear students, I am also taking batches in pro. And you know what is the best part? I am taking for 10th to 11th batch. So you guys are going to have a fun time with me. And in case you are all interested, do join my batch. It will be starting on May 10th. May 10th, okay? It is Drishti Batch C. So you will get to spend one whole year with me. You will get to spend one whole year or 2 years. If you join 2 years, then you will get 2 whole years with me. And the batch name is Drishti Batch C. So that is my batch. So in case you want to join, please do check it out. Okay, Sunil, I have to take all sessions, no man. 2 Pathfinder, 2 Bridge Course, and also 0 to Hero series. Everything we are doing, Sunil. Please wait for it. We will do it, okay? Very good. Fantastic, guys. So guys, everybody, I hope you have got it. Now, please try to solve this question. Everybody, I want all of you to answer this and tell me what do you think is the answer for this. And I think Raj Mohan has answered it correctly. Very good, Raj. You are absolutely right. Fantastic. Because my dear children, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Now somebody can ask me, sir, but I heard somewhere 0 to the power 0 is not defined. That is correct, my dear students. Okay. Only 0 to the power 0 is not defined. It is said to be indeterminate. Okay. It is said to be indeterminate. So apart from that, everything else will be 1. Are you all okay with that? So this I will teach you when I teach you the chapter called as limits and derivatives. Okay. So please wait until then. Now it will be a too difficult concept for me to explain. Everybody cool? Fantastic, guys. For now, B is the correct answer. You are all perfect. Let's move forward. Okay. So let's go forward. Now, did you all know this? Since we know that anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, I can say that log of 1 to the base anything is 0. So this is a very important result. Don't worry about it. Kindly make a note of it. This is a very crucial result. When is the next Pathfinder series? Anisha, this week we will have. Every week, 3 days I will take Pathfinder, 3 days I will take your Bridge course, and 3 days I will take 0 to Hero series and most expected question series along with mock test. So that I equally give importance to 10th to 11th, I equally give importance to 11th to 12th, and I equally give importance to 12th pass out. Okay, please understand that, guys. Everybody has to adjust because this is a big family. It's like being with your brother and sister. Your brother sometimes will get good gifts, sometimes you will get good gifts. But in the end, everybody is equally treated because all of you matter a lot to us, to me and to Vedantu. More than me, to Vedantu, you guys mean a lot. And that is why we come here giving our best. Don't ever forget that. Vedantu is there for you. Okay. So shall we move forward? Archana, I moved it earlier because I thought 4 o'clock is better for everybody. Adarsh, you have to talk to your SAM, Student Account Manager. You have to talk to your SAM. Thank you, Samarpita. I'm so happy. We will all have fun together and also learn something great. So guys, did you all understand these examples? Is everybody okay? Hello, Kunal. Kunal, no problem, Kunal. You can watch it again. I hope you will go through it again. That will be helpful for you. No, Venkatesh. Venkatesh, I told you in exponential functions also, you cannot take the base to be negative. Never, never. So pull the video back and go through it, Venkatesh. I gave you the reason also. So let's move forward, my dear children. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? So anything to the power 1 is always equal to the same thing. So the answer is x. So I can say log of a to the base a is always 1. So this is also an important result. Please make a note of it. Second result. What is the first result? The first result is log of 1 to the base anything is 0. This is first result. Result number 1. This is result number 2. Don't ever forget this. We are learning some cool part. You all should be very happy and proud that you are learning all this at such a young age. Before you enter 11th, if you are all clear with this, it makes your job for your teacher very easy to bring you up to JEE Mains level. So please make note of it and we will practice questions together. Are you all ready? Sahib, I will do that once I go into determinant Sahib. Right now, I just taught the basics of matrices, okay? Hello Vinu, thank you man, welcome. Frederick, that is 10th moving to 11th standard batch, Frederick. Are you 10th moving to 11th? Then you can join. Hello Cyrus, Cyrus, welcome man, great to see you. Shall we move forward? Hello Tenyat, Tenyat, I think you're late, but no problem. I changed the timing to 4 o'clock. Guys, I am planning to keep all my 10th standard classes at 4 o'clock. Why? Because I feel at 9 o'clock it's difficult for some of you guys to come because your parents might tell, why are you watching YouTube at late night? So that's why I feel for 10th standard moving to 11th, I'm going to keep all my classes at 4 o'clock. Are you all happy about it? Isn't that a good news? Can you all give me a yo? So one guy is telling IPL. I knew it, man. I knew it. Yesterday, did you guys see the match? Oh, yesterday's match was wonderful, man. CSK did very well. RCB fans will be crying right now. So if somebody is from Karnataka, apologies for ruining your day yesterday. Exactly. So this is the next result. Make a note of it, guys. Everybody. Exactly, Samiksha. Great. So people, this is the next result which I gave you. I hope you made a note of it. Now, can you all please try to do this? This is a good question. I want all of you to try it out. Come on, people. So Sunil says, sir, I don't watch IPL. That's good, Sunil, because IPL takes a lot of time. So it takes 4 hours for one match. So if you're not watching, I would say it's good only for you because you save 4 hours time. Answer is 2. Yes, 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 my dear children. All of you are right. Very good job, guys. Why is the answer 2? What is the question? We have log of 100 to the base 10. Let us say this is equal to x. Now we need to find out what is this x. Got it? So how do you do that? It is nothing but 10 to the power x is equal to 100. How do I do that? I convert it to exponential form. Very good, Raj. Very good, Anisha, Frederick, Monkey, Kirito, Anisha, Sherlock. Amazing, amazing. So convert it to exponential form and then solve it. What is 100? 100 is 10 to the power 2. Now compare these two. So if you compare these two, you will get x is equal to 2. That is the way you do it, my dear children. Are you all clear? Fantastic. Okay. Brilliant. Exactly, Samarpita. I am so happy. You guys are really, really smart. And I'm so happy to be here teaching you. Now, next question. This is an interesting one. Let me see if you're all getting it correct. Let me see if you're all getting it correct. Come on, people. All of you. Try to do it. Try to get it correct. Come on. Srinivasa Rao. Moving to 9th standard. Then you have to watch 9th and 10th channel. Here, this is JEE channel. So we teach only for 11th and 12th students. So next year for you it will be amazing because you will come to 10th and you will be moving from 10th to 11th, right? That time we will guide you. Yes, Raj Nandani, you can do that also. Because I didn't teach you that, na Raj. That's why I said use exponential form. Got it? Frederick, if you are moving to 11th, then join my batch, Frederick. If you are moving to 11th, then you can obviously join my batch. I would love to see you in my class. Okay? Samarpita, it is not 5, Samarpita, it is 5 by 2, my dear. I will tell you how, Samarpita. Listen carefully. So we have log of 243 to the base 9 equal to x, Samarpita. So I will write it as 9 to the power x is equal to 243. That's how you convert it, right? Converting from log to exponential form. Did you understand it? Converting it from log to exponential form. Are you all clear with it, my dear children? Now what do? Write both of them as 3 to the power something. Because when can you compare the powers? The powers can be compared only when the bases are equal. Okay, only when the bases are equal. Got it? So what do I do here? This will be 3 to the power 2 whole raised to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 5. Because 243, my dear children, is equal to 3 to the power 5. Are you all clear with that? Yes? No problem, Samarpita. That's totally fine. Now you can compare. If I compare, what will I get? I'll get 2x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 by 2. Did you all like it? This is the way you solve it, sticking to your basics. This is the way you solve it right from your basics. Did you all enjoy it? Very good. Mamata, then you have to join my 12th standard batch, which is called Sankalp. Everybody clear? Shalini, I'm coming to explain that, Shalini. Very good question, Shalini. Okay, but before I go to the next doubt which Shalini has asked, please listen carefully. Okay, Ashish, this is for 10th moving to 11th standard students, man. They don't know the basics. That is why I'm teaching them. Don't worry, we have a lot of things going on in this channel. Try to follow one series which is good for you. For you, Ashish, most expected questions will be good. 0 to hero will be good. For you, this session does not make sense because this is for 10th to 11th batch. That's why you're finding it too easy. Okay. Now, for those who want to know about Vedantu, guys, 10th moving to 11th is called as Drishti batches. It is called as Drishti, D-H-R-I-S-T-I. And 11th to 12th is called as Sankalp batches. It is called as Sankalp. Okay. And droppers batch is called as Manthan. Okay. These are the names which we follow in Vedantu. So I take Drishti batch on May 10th. So if you are from 10th to 11th, I will give you the link, Frederick. Click on that link, use my coupon code, only then you come to my batch. Got it? So I will show you the link at the end of the class. Click on that link, pay using credit card, EMI or full payment, whatever you choose. If you use my coupon code and my link, then you will directly come to my batch. Will you teach us next year also? Yes, Samiksha. This will be a 2 years program. This will be a 2 years program. Frederick, I hope you noted it. Link, my code and payment. That's the process. This is Sankalp. Sankalp, I am not teaching, but Shreyas Sir is teaching. In Sankalp, Shreyas Sir is teaching, so you can go and definitely join it. In droppers, right now, there is nobody from this channel who is teaching, but still you have great teachers from Vedantu. You can go and check it out. Okay. So let's proceed, guys. Come on. The next one. Now we are coming to laws of logarithm. This is properties. Okay. So Tenyat, don't worry Tenyat, because there will be a student account manager who will call you. They are called as Sam. So they will call you. When they call you, what should you tell? You should tell that for math, I want to attend May 10th batch, which is Drishti C. Got it? But if you want to attend all 3 subjects in Drishti C, then also you can join. That's also fine. But the teachers who are teaching in Drishti C, I still don't know myself. Give me some time, I'll figure it out. Okay. Sanjay, yes Sanjay. Sanjay, I will definitely speed up, don't worry. So guys, Please listen carefully. Sanjay, in CBSE, they don't teach all this, man. That's why I'm helping your friends out. Okay? That's why I'm trying to help your friends out. Guys, let's go fast. So whenever you have log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a, so when you have two logarithms to the same base with the addition symbol, then you can join them. You can join them to the same base. How do you join them? But by multiplying them. Got it? Very important, don't forget it. Everybody cool with that? So shall I move forward? So when you have three numbers again to the same base which are being added, then you can multiply the three numbers. Everybody cool with it? Shall I move forward? Hello Asutosh. Yes, of course, my dear. I do remember you. Exactly. Yes. Sunil, this is just one session, man. Logarithm is just one session. So please remember, guys, log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a is not equal to log of m plus n. So don't add it up. It should not be addition, it should be multiplication. Got it? So don't make this mistake, because this is a very common mistake which people do. Okay, so shall we move forward? No Sachin, no Sachin. Only matrices I have completed. I need to do determinants. Please wait for it. Can you quickly answer this, everybody? Shalini, I'm coming to it. I'm coming to it. Please wait. Please wait. No. Sunil, this is the first lecture. This is the third lecture of bridge course. That's why you got confused. Because Sunil, first lecture was modulus function. Second lecture was greatest integer function. Third lecture is logarithms. Understood, Sunil? Very good, my dear children. You guys are amazing. The answer is option C. Because log to the base 2 is common, right? So addition is there. What will I do? I will multiply 4 and 5. So I'll multiply these two, 4 into 5. So this will be what? It will be log of 20 to the base 2. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? So shall we move forward? Fantastic. Looks like everybody has nailed it, because you guys are awesome. Now this is the next one. What if you have subtraction? So if you have subtraction, then you divide these two quantities, because again you see the bases are same and these two quantities are subtracted. So when you have like that, it will be equal to the log same base m divided by n. So that is the second law which I am teaching you today. The first one was addition, the second one was subtraction. Please make a note of it. If you're all okay with it, then we will move forward. We will move forward. Okay? Everybody cool with it? Brilliant, Samarpita. That's amazing. Samiksha, that is not needed. These are all directly stated. No need to worry about how they come. I want you guys to know the properties. There's no need to know how they come, Samiksha. Don't worry about it. I can guarantee you 110% you will not be requiring it. Okay? What about graph? Sanjay, this is just the basics of graph, man. This is just the basics of log. I'm not going to get into the functions of log. Okay, I will talk about it once you guys get into 11th standard. Now I'm just teaching you properties, Sanjay, so try to learn all the properties. Now guys, like I said before, when you have subtraction, please don't subtract it, okay? When you have subtraction here, directly don't subtract m cross n, that is wrong. The next thing is, don't divide it separately. Don't divide it as log am divided by log an. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. How should you divide? You should divide m divided by n. Okay? This is the right division. Are you all understanding that? So this is correct. Are you all clear? Everybody? No need, Samarpita. Only the results are needed. If you remember the results, that's more than enough. Shall I proceed? Everybody clear? Exactly, Venisha. Exactly. That's right, Venisha. I'm glad you remember it. So please try to solve this, everybody. Let me know what is the answer for this. All of you. Hello, Shweta. Welcome, Shweta. Aishwarya is also right. Aishwarya is also getting it. Brilliant. Very good, very good. Brilliant, guys. The answer is option A. And I'm so happy many people have got it, because log m to the base a minus log n to the base a is nothing but log to the base a m divided by n. So that is going to be what? That is going to be log 7 to the base. That's perfect. That is perfect. Okay. Everybody clear with it? Brilliant, guys. Now let me come to Shalini's question. So Shalini was asking something and I want to explain it. What is that? Shalini, you remember you were asking, sir, what is the difference between log x and ln of x? This is a very common question which people ask. Okay. Definitely Umapati, but Umapati you will have to wait for a long time, because I will teach coordinate geometry from the basics probably after 2-3 months. Okay. After 2-3 months. Now please listen carefully, guys. So whenever you have log x, right, you need to have a base. You need to have a base. Got it? So usually till 10th standard, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Till 10th standard, log x means, if I just simply say log x, that means it is log x to the base 10. Till 10th standard, this is what we used to study. Okay. This is what we used to study. Whenever we have log x, it is usually log x to the base 10. But when you come to 11th and 12th, we will use this more often, ln x. What is ln x? Ln x means it is nothing but log x to the base e, where e is called as Euler's constant, and the value of e is approximately 2.718. Approximately. Okay. It is just an important number. I think it's Napier's constant, not Euler's constant. Okay. It's Napier's constant. But anyway, the value of it is approximately 2.718. Got it? Everybody? Can you all make a note of it? Sharmila, I hope your doubt is clear. I hope your doubt is clear. Everybody? Are you all okay with it, my dear students? Clear? Everybody? We cannot divide two terms differently because log of something is a single term only. Yes, Samarpita, perfect. Very good, guys. Asutosh, what is your doubt, Asutosh? What is your doubt? Please let me know. Sir, what is x to the power minus infinity? It is 0? Yes, Sanjay. If you have x to be a finite number, any finite number raised to the power minus infinity is 0. That's correct. But x should be greater than 1, Sanjay. Modulus of x should be greater than 1. Modulus of x should be greater than 1. Napier's analogy, Shalini, that's different, Shalini. Don't confuse that over here. Napier's analogy is different. Don't confuse that over here. So, Asutosh, log x to the base e is usually called as ln of x, Asutosh. That's a shorthand notation. That's a shorthand notation. For now, take it as a fact. Log x to the base e is usually called as ln of x. ln means log natural logarithm. Got it? I hope it is clear. Fantastic. So with that, I will move forward. Now, this is the third property. Please make a note of it, because this can be written as log m plus log m plus log m to the base a n times. Are you all okay with that? So that will be equal to what? This is n times. So that will be equal to, by properties of logarithm, it will be equal to m into m into m into m. So that will be equal to log to the base a m to the power n. So that's exactly what is given. I derived it also. I hope you guys understood it. Okay. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. You're all amazing. So Jayvan, for that there is no formula, man. You just have to divide them. That's it. Okay. Will you teach domain and range? Of course, Jatin. When I teach functions, I will teach you that. Yes. Very good, Asutosh. Fantastic. Hello, Anjana. Why ln x means base e? Shaptika, that is definition. That's how it is defined, Shaptika. There's no question as to why. That's how it is defined. Okay. Now please solve it, guys. What is meant by retracting, man? I didn't understand that. Sachin. Very good, Samarpita. I'm so happy you're all able to follow. Jatin, no problem, Jatin. If you attend my classes here in JEE Enthuse channel, where I teach you functions, you should be good and you will be able to move forward. Very good, Venisha. Very good, Kirito. Yes, Shakti Vijay. I will teach you differential calculus and integral calculus also. The basics of it. So that you guys enjoy the process. Okay, don't worry. Just wait for it. Very good, Sachin. Very good, Shreya. Very good, Sonali. Very good, Rajendra Reddy. Jagan Mohan. Samiksha. Fantastic. You guys are brilliant, man. Next level. Asutosh. Sherlock. Manish. Kirito. Yes, it is option C, because this will be log to the base a 5 square minus log to the base a 2 cube. So 5 square will be 25, right? And this will be log to the base a 2 cube is 8. So when I subtract it, I'll get log to the base a 25 divided by 8. Are you all clear with that? So that's exactly what we have in option C. Very good, Raj. Very good, Jaiwant. Shaktika. You guys are amazing. Okay? Yes, Shweta. We will try to do everything slowly and steadily. So this is the $1 million question. I wanted to answer it here. Who is that? I think Shalini, right? Shalini, the question which you asked, right? I have it here. This is the $1 million question which everybody keeps asking. So usually when you have log, it is log x to the base 10. And this is log x to the base e. What is e? E is called as Napier's constant or Euler's constant, Euler's constant, okay? And the value of it is approximately 2.718, okay? This you use up to 10th standard. Usually in 11th and 12th, we only use this, mathematics. This will be useful in chemistry and in physics also, because you study in thermodynamics. In thermodynamics and kinetics, you will study this. So log to the base 10 will be useful in chemistry and physics, but in maths, we will use ln of x more commonly. In maths, we will use ln of x more commonly. Okay, are you all cool with that? Very good, very good. Amazing, guys. Exactly, Priyadarshini, you're right. Till 10th, no logarithm, like some of you study. If you went for coaching, if you went for institute, any foundation coaching like that. Very good, Sanjay. Sanjay, you're absolutely right. You seem to know a lot of things, man. Amazing, Sanjay. Very good, Samarpita. Fantastic. Priyadarshini is also right. In PH also we use that. You're right. So with that, we have the homework question. That means we are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed the class today. But before you all escape, before you all leave, I want to talk about the upcoming batches at Vedantu. So like I said, my dear students, I am also teaching pro batches. So if you are from 10th standard moving into 11th, you can be in my class. What will we do? We will try to solve every chapter from the basics to JEE Mains level in a very easy and engaging manner during my live classes. Live classes, where do I take from? I take from Chennai. You will be in your house. Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Vijayawada, Andhra, Telangana, wherever you are. You can be wherever you want. I'll be at my house and you will also listen to me at the same time. These are all live classes. Live classes. And they are exceptionally good, because if YouTube is so engaging, then imagine how the paid classes in Vedantu will be. Can you just think about it? If YouTube, which is a free class, is so nice, then just imagine how good our paid classes will be. Not just classes, you will have assignments and you will get books. You will get Tattva material. I spoke about Tattva, right? Tattva is the best material for JEE preparation. You will get that couriered to your house. And then you will have tests you will have doubt solving, and you will have personal touch, because the Sam, who is the student account manager, they will keep talking to you. Teachers will be close to you. You can always have interactions with them. The next year is going to be affected because of COVID, but your education, I told you guys, your education cannot stop. Okay. Shweta, 11th moving to 12th Pathfinder series will be on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I will let you know. Please follow the Telegram group. If you see Pathfinder series, that means it is for 12th standard students. Okay. Got it, guys? Yes, Samarpita, you are right. You are absolutely right, Samarpita. Not exponential function, it is called as Euler's constant. It is called as Euler's constant. It is just a number, Samarpita. It is just a number. Think of it like that. Okay? Very good. So these are our classes in Vedantu. You see, we have quizzes. This is our platform. We write with the pen over here. We can show you our video. We can talk to you. We can conduct quizzes like this, and you guys can answer. Okay? So that is how cool our feature is. Now coming to the pricing part, which everybody wants to know. So if you want to join my batch for 2 years, sir, my 11th and 12th standard, I am giving it to you. I believe you, and we are all slowly trusting Vedantu. Even though it is online, I believe we can still achieve result because Vedantu has proved it. Vedantu has got All India rank 38 in advance, All India rank 41 in advance, and 99 percentile. You have 300 students. So we love Vedantu and we believe Vedantu can help us. So I want to join 2 years. Then for 2 years the price is just 54,000. It is just 54,000. So can you believe, guys, this is the price which people used to pay for 1 year offline coaching 15 years back. 15 years back, this was the price for 1 year coaching offline. Now because of Vedantu, we have completely disrupted by bringing technology into the picture. And that is why you get it at an amazing price of 54,000. What will you get here? You will get classes, you will get test, analysis, study material, notes, doubt solving during class. But let us say you want doubt solving after the class. Then you need to choose your second option. Okay. So I will tell you how to get it. I will tell you how to get it. So what you can do is close this. Now what you have to do is, guys, I'll close this also. So go to YouTube, and then what do? You go to this video. So this is our video right now. So you go there, and then what do? You come to the description. So this is what we call as the description below the video, right? So in the description, what you will do is you will click on this one, subscribe to Vedantu Pro. Did you all understand that? So when you click on subscribe to Vedantu Pro, you will be taken to this site. So see, I have logged in. So I have logged in. Then they'll ask you which one you want to buy. Do you want the Pro subscription Lite or Classic or Plus? So Pro Lite is 54,000. Pro Classic is 67,500. And Pro Plus is 1 lakh. Why is it so expensive? Because you will get personal mentor. You click on this, you will know what is personal mentor. You will get to know what is personal mentor. So everything we have explained it beautifully. What is doubt solving? You will get to know what is doubt solving on the app. So let's say you want to buy what is the lowest. Let's say, sir, I can only buy 54,000. Then what you should do? You should click on buy course now. So you see my code is applied here. If this is applied here, then you will be in my batch. So all those who wanted to join my May 10th batch, this is what you're supposed to do. Go to this page, my coupon code is automatically applied. Now you can choose EMI option. Sir, I don't have 54,000, sir. How can I pay 54,000 fully? It's such a big amount. Then you can go to EMI option. You can choose whatever branch you have. Let's say you have ICICI card. Then you can pay in 12 months. In 12 months, it is just 4,500 per month. And guys, the best part is it is no cost EMI. No cost EMI means there is no interest. There is no interest to be paid. Okay. Is this for JEE? Asutosh, yes. This is my JEE batch. Look at it. Vedantu JEE Pro Lite. Here you see Asutosh, JEE is mentioned now. So then you proceed to pay and then you will be in my batch. I hope you liked it. So that's how you do it, guys. So with that, we will conclude. So you know what to do. Go check it out and then buy it if you're interested. Okay. Chalo, with that, we'll conclude. This is the Telegram group in case you want to join to stay updated about whatever is happening in our channel. This is the group. And finally, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you had fun. So don't just leave it in one day. I want you to be here. This is a long journey. So do subscribe and also share it with your friends. Okay. Do share it with your friends so that you guys can grow this family and help us. Okay. So with that, we'll conclude, guys. All the very best. I love you guys and take care. We will meet again tomorrow with another awesome session. Okay. Bye-bye. See you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.